Hey y'all, morning. It's Wednesday morning. Raz says that my brain is good enough to talk to the camera today, so here we are. Saturday night, as y'all have heard, got my brain scrambled a little bit, but we're good. I just want to first start out with Mom, Dad, Robin, Crystal, Kathy, Brent. That's my family. I'm good. No worse than what you already know I am. So everything's good there. Thanks for following up. We had a good time. The fire crew, awesome fire crew. We had the best fire crew in the world. Watch the video. There's some pretty interesting conversation between the fire crew and I. I don't really remember it, but hey, it's pretty funny. We all got a chuckle out of it here. But Saturday night we were good. We were fast. We're making some changes on the car and make some changes with the driver, and we're gonna be making more changes with the car because we found out that we found some stuff that we need to fix. But the car's fast, it's good, I'm good. Thanks for everybody that called, texted, messaged. I mean, my phone's been blowing up. You guys are awesome. Thanks a lot.
Hey, Phil. Okay. Where you at, man?
I'm in the race car.
Okay. What racetrack?
Verona.
Verona? Okay. What year is it?
19.
2019. Okay. Who's president?
Thank God it's Trump.
All right. All right. How you feeling? Anywhere else hurting other than your bell?
I got a fucking headache, man.
You got a headache? Okay. He got his bell wrong.
Can I get my helmet
Freaking
off?
headache. Hold on, I want to talk to you real quick. Do you have any pain on your neck or back? Nothing?
No, I just got a bad fucking headache.
Okay. Yeah, bad headache. Yeah. Come on, Phil.
Come on out,
Let's
Phil.
get you out, okay?
Hold on, dude, I'm dizzy.
What?
I'm a little dizzy.
Okay, well, I'm going to get you out nicely.
All right, okay, no problem, buddy.
Okay? We're going to get you out nice, but I know you don't like tight spaces.
Where's my buddy?
Who's your buddy?
Dave.
Dave's over my shoulder. But right now, I'm your buddy, okay?
Yep.
Nice
Oh,
and slow.
fuck.
I'm gonna keep my hand over the shaft so you don't have to worry about your steering shaft.
Hey, do me a favor, grab the foam off the hook right there.
Nice and easy.
He got his bell wrong, no head, no neck or back pain, head hurts like hell, he's a little dizzy. Alright, Phil.
Patrick, grab his helmet.
Alright, let's just get you out, okay? You're unstrapped, you're unstrapped.
You're good. You're good.
All you gotta do is come towards me.
Use him for support, okay? Yep. You're good here. Take your time. Come on out. Push your head down, dude. Stand him up and hold him. That's good, Phil. Don't step on the muffler.
Alright, Phil. What?
Get him inside. Yeah, get him inside.
Okay, Phil, let's get you inside, get you.
Dave, he's a big dog.
Yeah.
He's a big dog. Got him, Dave.
Hey, Enrique. Yes, sir.